Hello everyone and welcome to CNC Basecamp. My name is Chris Fitch and I want to welcome you to a show that's all about CNC routers. Now if you're interested in CNC routers or if you own one, well, we're going to try and give you a lot of great information to help you succeed using your machine. Each episode we're going to talk about a variety of different topics, and if you go to our website you're going to find the video episode, you'll find an article which supports that episode, and you're going to find a complete package of information to help you build our feature projects. This mid-century credenza, you're going to find a bullet point article on each step that you'll need to go through to build it. I'm going to supply you with a PDF of CAD files, drawings that you can accurately dimension things from, and there'll be a folder of DXF files. So you'll have all the information you need to build this with your CNC machine. So join me each and every month for more information, more projects on the CNC Basecamp.